Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service helps you deliver exceptional service experience for customers. Our world-class service capabilities combined with artificial intelligence, mixed reality, and IoT technology provide a seamless, integrated solution that truly transforms field service management. Here, exceptional service begins with empathy, like reassuring customers that service issues are thoroughly reviewed using data analytics, providing intelligent monitoring, and preventative action to consistently keep their equipment, machinery, facilities, and other critical devices fully operational. In fact, whenever customers' IoT-enabled equipment detect an issue, they can instantly trigger an alert to notify service technicians via Dynamics 365 Field Service, using machine learning to determine the best course of action. A case is automatically created and seamlessly routed to the Tier 3 equipment technician to resolve the issue. First, the technician reviews all relevant information pertaining to the equipment. For example, properties, location, service history, IoT readings, along with the AI-suggested action. The technician will then attempt to resolve the issue remotely, with minimal impact to the customer by sending commands directly via Dynamics 365 Field Service. A work order is quickly generated with all relevant details intact, then automatically scheduled and prioritized using intelligent optimized scheduling, taking into consideration service level agreements, predictive travel patterns, the technician's geolocation, and corresponding skill sets. Armed with this holistic set of information, the field technician receives a push notification with the repair request and can easily review the full work order details prior to going on site. Customers also get notified when the technician is en route and can view the technician's estimated arrival time and real-time location via the customer portal. Once on site, the technician performs a safety inspection, reviews the IoT readings, and follows the step-by-step repair instruction using our mobile app to ensure the fix is performed quickly and to the highest quality. If a field technician runs into an unexpected or complex issue on site, they can simply use Dynamics 365 Remote Assist on any iOS and Android mobile device, or even go hands-free with the HoloLens 2 to initiate a mixed reality-supported video call in real time with a remote expert and view 3D annotations right in the context of their real-world work environment. With Dynamics 365 guides, field service organizations can also increase process efficiency with pre-designed, real-world, step-by-step 3D training instructions on HoloLens 2. Once the repair is complete, customers can easily certify service completion by signing the technician's touchscreen device to automatically receive a completion notification with a detailed service report. With Dynamics 365 Field Service, you can move from reactive service maintenance to proactive monitoring, and ultimately, even leverage predictive analytics based on IoT data and insights to anticipate repairs before they even occur.